Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by building a dense Paris-style base. Chop 100 grams of 70 to 75% dark chocolate finely, measure 3. 5 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa, and pour 2 cups whole milk into a heavy saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons cold milk so the texture becomes velvety. Stir in 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Heat over medium-low and whisk continuously until chocolate melts and the mixture is thickened but not boiling. This creates the intense, spoonable hot chocolate Parisians prefer. Balance sweetness deliberately. If using 70% chocolate, add 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. For 80% or higher, use 3 tablespoons or 15 grams honey as an alternative. For Paris authenticity, texture matters. Stir in up to 1/2 cup heavy cream to create a silkier body, or 1/4 cup water to lighten the drink without diluting flavor. Maintain low heat and allow a 25% reduction by volume through a 2-minute gentle simmer. Whisk frequently to serve like Paris, warm small cups beforehand and portion 100 to 150 milliliters per serving so the drink remains concentrated. Spoon a small dollop of lightly sweetened whipped cream on top or grate 5 grams of orange zest for an aromatic lift. Dust with extra cocoa if desired. Offer a butter croissant, plain brioche, or madeleine for dunking. Encourage slow sipping. Parisian hot chocolate is meant to be thick, rich, and savored rather than gulped, so enjoy the texture and aroma between small bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.